Lot number 221 is a 2009 Ford F-550 XL crew cab utility truck. This one has a 6.4 liter diesel engine. It's got 97,000 miles. The motor sounds good. I've had this one running well over an hour. It has not overheated. It idles smooth, revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows cold. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. The motor sounds good. The check engine light is on. And there are the miles. 97,000 miles. All the gauges appear to be working. Unknown why the check engine light is on, but the truck idles smooth, it revs up nice. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. Overall, the truck looks good. Tires look good. It's got some glue residue left over on the doors from the decal removal. Utility bed shows wear and tear. It's got two cabinet doors that are dented on the driver's side. Rear bumper is dented. It's missing a couple of lights on the rear. Heavy duty tow hitch and toolboxes included. The floor appears to be solid. Passenger side has a couple of scratches and dents. 3 of the cabinet doors are dented on the passenger side. The body on the truck looks good. Let me show you the inside. Interior shows normal wear and tear for a truck like this. The door panels look faded from the sun. The bench seat is torn down here in the corner. The dashboard is not cracked. Steering wheel is worn all the way down to the metal. Again, the check engine light is on. AC blows ice cold. The truck looks really dirty inside, but it will clean up nice. Rear door panels look good, and rear bench seat looks good. Let's go around the passenger side. And it's locked. Alright, well, there you have it. Let me also mention this piece of plastic trim that goes on the front bumper is loose. It's about to fall off. It's broken. Alright, there you have it. It's a 2009 Ford F-550 XL crew cab utility truck. It runs and drives. It's got cold AC. It's lot number 221. Lot number 221. Good luck.